Good morning, students. Today we explain the topic of chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas, and our topic is based on exercise 4.2. You see, first topic is curve. What is curve? Continuous movement of points in any and every direction is curved. Is it clear? Or in other words, we can say that a curve is a shape. A curve is a shape or a line which is smoothly drawn in a plane having a bend or turn in it. When we draw these types of shape, all are said to be curve. When we smoothly draw, but they have a bend is necessary, then it will said to be curve. Without bend, it will be a straight line. So bend is necessary. So these figures are said to be curve. Now you see types of curve. First, simple curve. When a curve is said to be simple, a curve that changes its direction but it does not intersect itself. This type of curve is known as a simple curve. A simple curve may be open or closed. Simple curves change their direction. Suppose we draw these steps, they change their direction, but they does not intersect itself. But this line never intersect. It is open simple curve and it is closed simple curve. So simple curve is clear. Next, non-simple curve. Next is non-simple curve. Number 2. The non-simple curve is a type of curve that crosses its path. It means the curve intersects itself while changing its direction. When they change their direction, they cross. When we find the cross, they will not simple. So this figure is not simple closed curve. Not simple closed curve. This is not simple and it is said to be not simple open curve. This is open curve but not simple, and it is also not simple but closed. So it is clear. Next, open curve. Number 3. Open curve. When curve is said to be open, a curve has two endpoints, and when it does not enclose the area within itself, it is known as an open curve. Suppose these types of curve all are open because the curve does not enclose the area, so it is open. Its mouth is open. These types all are open curve. Next, number 4 is closed curve. A curve has no endpoints, and when it endless the region or area, it is known as the closed curve. It is clear. A curve has no endpoints. You see, it has no endpoints. You see, it has no endpoints. You see, it has no endpoints. And when it encloses the region or area, when it encloses the area, this part is said to be area. It is known as the closed curve. So it is clear. Next topic is polygons. So there are 4 types of curve is clear. After curve we study about polygon, because polygon is related to curve. So it is a simple closed curve made by only line segment is polygon. Suppose it is a simple closed curve because its line does not intersect, so it is a closed and simple. It is also a closed and simple, and it is enclosed by only line segments. It has 3 line segments, it has 4 line segments, so it is triangle and it is quadrilateral. So triangle is a polygon, quadrilateral is a polygon. It is clear? Next, position in a curve, where our point is said to be the position. Where is A? A is inside the curve, that is interior. Where is B? B is on the boundary. Clear? And where is C? C is exterior, that is outside the curve. So its position is clear. Where lies A, where B lies, where C lies. C is outside, A is inside, and B is on the boundary. Next, side, vertices and diagonals. Sides, vertices and diagonals. Suppose it is a polygon, then AB, BC, CD and AD are said to be sides. It is clear? Sides are the line segment joining any two adjacent vertices. What are vertices? The vertices A, B, C, D are vertices. When two line segments meet at a point, then vertices is formed. A is a vertices since A is common in AB and AD. Similarly, B is vertices, C vertices, D is vertices. Similarly, diagonals. Diagonal when we join AC and BD. So we can say that diagonal is a line segment joining any two opposite vertices. When we join any two vertices, that line segment is said to be diagonal. So AC and BD are diagonals. So it is clear. Now you take out your book and see the exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Classify the following curves as first open or closed. You can see the figure and decide yourself which is closed and which is open. All are curved, but you have to decide about open and closed. You can easily see which is open and closed. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. You will draw a figure of open curve and closed curve. It is very simple. Next, draw any polygon and shade its interior. You know that polygon is a simple closed curve made by only line segments. I explained before this exercise, you see, and draw a polygon and shaded its interior, and their interior part you shaded. Next, consider the given figure and answer the question. You see the given figure, it is a curve. Is it a curve? Question 1 is it a curve? And question 2 is it closed? You see and decide yourself about this figure. Question 5, illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. First, a closed curve, that is not a polygon. You have to draw a closed curve that is not polygon. You do yourself. An open curve made by entirely of line segment. An open curve made by entirely of line segments. And next, a polygon with two sides. A polygon with two sides. If possible or not, you can decide and draw all questions yourself and send the answer in my WhatsApp. Thank you for this class. So you see all questions are clear.